and wear a hat, sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met, moves on me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole. If you're new to my channel, I do everything home decor. Pretty much anything that to do with decor, whether it redo furniture, flower arrangements, wreaths, just designing stuff, that's what I love. And I pretty much eat, sleep, and drink decor. So I could not stand it today. We have been staging this house to sell, and I wanted to do a little bit of decor with you guys because it just seems like I've not been able to do that. So I thought that we would restage my front entryway just to make it a little more eye-pleasing and just not as much stuff on there. I had 2 lamps on this area, and I removed one, so I'm just gonna do just 1 lamp on, and I'll get that turned on in a second, but I wanted to share something with you all. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. These are plugs. These are what I have mentioned to you guys at Christmas. I've probably mentioned them to you many times before. So these are plugs that I got. Let's see if I can get it to focus. From Walmart. I got these at Walmart. They have a plug on the side and they have a remote with them. So what you do is you plug your piece into this outlet and you can remotely turn on lamps, Christmas trees, that's my big thing, Christmas trees and other items. So I love these things. When you get older, you'll understand that you don't like to get up and turn on a lamp. So I just plug in my piece to the outlet and I plug that in to the wall. Now, if you're close by, you can mash the button on it and it will go ahead and turn that on. So I took everything off this wall. If you're new to my channel, I had a huge chicken nesting box here and it had some decor. I mean, it was full. So this is a big change and I have filled in all the scuffs and I repainted this entire area right here. I want to do this very simple. I can't make up my mind where exactly I want to put my lamp. So when you walk in the door, you walk in from this direction. And I almost think it looks good here. But I've always been taught you go from low to high. So I think I'm going to leave the lamp on that side. And then I need just a little something here. I could easily do just my truck and leave it at that. I could do that. I'm gonna do several different things and then y'all can tell me what you like the best. And like I said, I'm trying to keep it super simple. I've also always been taught to do in 3s. So I wonder if I move the lamp slightly over and butt this up to it facing the door. Y'all can see that better now. So it's facing the door as I'm walking in. I could do it that way. I could make it further back to make this more expansive and then put something on that side or just leave it like that. I have that. these toolboxes, or excuse me, these are fishing tackle boxes. And it almost, I think that's too much. Maybe I could do it that way. I'm wanting y'all to be able to see that. But that green tackle box almost matches. I have this beautiful green one that I absolutely love. And I could just do the little boat propeller on it. I kind of like that. But honestly, I think my favorite is just the fishing basket with the fishing net inside. Just like that. And I don't think I'm going to put anything on that side. I'm going to let y'all see. So as y'all remember, I had this particular lamp at the front door. So I had two lamps just the exact same. And so I put that on this little table, and I thought I needed to do something on it. And I could probably just leave the lamp, but I think I want to add something. So you work in threes. That's two. And it could be that simple. I think I like that. Let me get you an up close. I staged this area also very simple. I left my two lamps up there because it is the only light that we have in here at night. But I did add the third one. But I love my little bobber lamps. And I just did a tackle box on top of the dish hopper that I cannot stand, but I have to. That's very simple, very sweet. And then, you know, you can see that I have toned down my pillows as well. But I wanted to show you the coffee table. So this is the coffee table area, and Bear is going to help us do this today. But I just want to do something simple, and once again, I'm going to do threes. So I have this really sweet, it's kind of a greenish color, and I love the greens in here. And then I have this little Cricut box that's full of all kinds of goodies. I did put some little bit of fern in the top. This is a Christmas ornament, and I just set that in the top with a deer antler. Then I have another deer antler that I'll just set here in the basket. And I think that's absolutely gorgeous. So this is the last area that I'm going to share with you guys. This is our breakfast room. I have these shelves over a hutch that will probably stay with the house when and if we do sell it. But I have this beautiful wooden crate that I got here locally at Lena Ellen. And I'm going to put that up top. And then I have these really sweet little greeneries that I have that I got off of Amazon. And I'll link those down below if I can find them. And I'm just going to kind of place them here and there. And then, y'all remember these. These are my absolute favorite. This is a taller one and will not fit here. So I think I'm going to do it right here. And then the other one, how I always do, diagonal across. Very simple. I think I like it, but I want to do something on the bottom. So let me move the camera down. So on the bottom, I have this really pretty white podium that I want to use. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I think I want to do it this way. And I moved that over because, you know, I have this one more piece of greenery. And I have this really pretty cloche. It's almost too tall. I wonder if this one's shorter. All right, so I'm just going to move this one right here. And I think I'm going to leave it like that. It's very simple, and I think y'all like it like that because that's what the buyers want to see. But I'll let y'all look at it and you tell me what you think. So I got the camera back so y'all can see the whole room area, and I'm really not liking the placement of the greenery. I almost want to take the greenery and piece it up with this one, like that. Now, you'll always notice I don't want to have things exactly diagonal. So I really didn't want this straight down from that particular piece. So I think I like this better. I'll take better pictures of it for you guys to see. I've enjoyed today. A little bit of decorating has helped my soul today because I've had a really rough day. But y'all, I appreciate y'all watching, and we're gonna get to decorating very soon. Hopefully we'll get this house sold, we'll get a new house, and lots of things to come and share with you guys. Y'all have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no, 'cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold